Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment building today, and the apartment has a plugged kitchen sink. Let's see if we find anything interesting. No, that
Nobody came back to finish.
It's always fun when they leave you like that, eh?
Yeah, and under the fridge is plywood as well, so that will not be wet because yesterday I came home from work and it was backfilled. Like, I haven't run water in it. So I thought it was every time I run water it's clogged and maybe I'm doing it. So I haven't been running water in it for like 3 days. And when I came home from work yesterday it was overflowing.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's definitely not your fault.
I put Drano down there, I put CLR, everything. Like nothing's
Okay, don't use Drano.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's an acid, right? It could potentially eat through the pipes over time.
Okay.
So we recommend that you don't use that. The maintenance guys will come in here and you... What's that? Why do they say... But they'll sell wipes that say flushable on them. Alright? It's a selling feature. You can buy flushable kitty litter. Kitty litter turns to cement. Right? So it's like, there's so many, it's literally just selling features. And those Drano and stuff like that is if your trap is plugged up, so the bend here, so say some food and buildup goes down, it should break that down. But then once it clears, you're supposed to wash it out. Like,
yeah, so that's what I did with it because I would dump the coffee grounds in the garbage and I rinsed the filter in the sink.
oh, for sure, yeah.
Maybe that's it. So I used the Drano and I waited about, whatever it says, like 10-15 minutes, and then you rinse it with hot water, right?
Yeah.
And the second I did that, the whole thing just backfilled. So...
Yeah, so like I say, I'm not saying you're doing anything wrong. You're doing what most people do, right? And you're buying a product that says it'll clear a blockage. When I find out people use that, I just let them know that to not.
because I thought it was coffee grounds doing it.
Yeah, no. Like, if you run your water and it starts backing up, okay, yeah, you're assuming it's here, right? If you notice that it's backing up by itself, there's no point in doing that. That's all I'm saying. You know what I mean? What kind of work do you do?
I just lost my full-time job, so right now I'm just part-time retail at Women's.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Well, I am and I'm not. It's a good job, but it wasn't happy there anymore, so.
Yeah, been in those situations.
Sometimes it's okay when the choice is out of your hands.
Yes. What was it doing?
I was doing floral design.
Oh, really? Eh?
Yeah. I enjoyed the job, I just not the environment.
Yeah.
Too old for the retail environment. I was at a big grocery store, so.
Oh, yeah? let's try this. Somebody was?
Yeah.
Were you home then? Okay, so from what I did hear, somebody did come yesterday.
Oh.
But like, if he probably got it after.
Well, she said that at like 3. It says 3:15 yesterday.
Yeah. So basically, when they send it in, right, to my office dispatches somebody who's in the area, or they gotta wait till somebody calls in, right? So he may have got the call like, say 4 o'clock, 4:30, whatever, but then was stuck on a job till 6 maybe. I don't know. It wasn't me. So there's.
I could see 2 more emails that I definitely saw when I was on my way home, but I didn't see that one. I feel bad if somebody showed up, because usually they don't come that fast, right?
Well, you know,
I'm expecting like we can't send anybody until Monday. Yeah, still almost the weekend.
see, when we come and no one's home, if we can't get a hold of anybody in the management office to come and open up the door, I didn't know how close
yeah, I don't like.
Like we still get paid, right? So it's if we come and don't do nothing, and I'm in and out in 5 minutes, hey.
Well, that's why I always, every time I send her an email, I don't put it in the portal because sometimes I don't get it fast.
I know, and that's for those portals
I'm sorry, like, I can't remember the password half the time. I don't want to go into it. I'm like, email you, and it was immediate. So I kept the photos, and I was like, give me a call.
Yeah.
I'm always like on the go, and she never calls. She always responds to the email, and I just email so long and show up.
Well, that's it, right? Really? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, what I'm going to get you to do, are you going to be awake?
Yeah. I'm up now.
I'm going to get you to run your hot water for at least half an hour, 45 minutes. If you can do it an hour, even better. Because there is grease in the line. So sometimes when you clear it out, and you don't let any water run, it can close up again. So we want the water running to kind of clean out the pipe. You said it used to back up by itself? So if it backs up by itself, then no. Yeah. So I don't ever really tell the tenant it's their fault. it's usually the stacks in the pipe or in the building, and that's usually what the issue is. So it's just do your best to try to help the cause. Lots of hot water on a regular basis usually helps. So I'm all done here.
Okay.
Like I say, if you can leave your water on for about a half an hour to an hour, that'd be great. And then you're good to go. All right. If it backs up, let them know, and I'll be in the area for probably the next 2-3 hours.
Okay.
And I'll come back, and I may have to use the bigger snake, but you should be good.
Okay.
All right.
I wondered about that. I should have just had one. But is that piece screwed on properly?
Yeah, I put
Even
everything.
on the, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I think even the other side wasn't screwed on right to begin with.
Yeah, no,
And then I wondered if it drains properly, because you know if the top piece isn't straight, sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah. No, 100%. Everything's tight. Everything's looking good now. All right.
Okay.
Have a good day and have a good
Thanks.
weekend.
You too.
Thanks a lot. All right, there you go, guys. Everything's looking good now. So this has been Jay, that drain guy. I just want to say thanks if you guys are still watching. And until next time, it's been Jay, that drain guy again. Chiraga.